In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to YouTube from Clipchamp. Let's get started by opening up your web browser and heading over to clipchamp.com. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and click the sign in button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for the purposes of this video, we're assuming you have an account already. Now, once you've clicked that sign in button, you'll be taken to the login page. Here, I recommend clicking on Continue with Microsoft since it's often the fastest way for users who already have a Microsoft account. Once you've selected your Microsoft account, you'll find yourself logged into the Clipchamp dashboard. This is your starting point for video creation or editing, and it's quite user-friendly. From the dashboard, select Create a new video. This will open the video editor, and now we're ready to bring in our media files. Look for the option that says Import Media, which will allow you to either browse your files or simply drag and drop your video onto the timeline. After your media is in the timeline, you have the chance to make some edits. This step can include cutting out unwanted sections, adding transitions, or even overlaying text. Anything to get your video just how you want it before uploading. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to export. Click on Export, and you'll be presented with options for selecting the video quality. Ensure you choose a quality that suits your needs. Higher quality may be ideal if you're going for a professional look, but keep in mind it may take longer to export and upload. Now it's time to upload your creation to YouTube. Find and click on the Upload to YouTube button, which will initiate the YouTube authorization process. If you haven't linked your YouTube account to Clipchamp before, you'll need to do that now by clicking Connect to YouTube. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the necessary steps to authorize and connect your YouTube account safely and securely. Don't worry, Clipchamp's interface makes this process quite effortless. Once your accounts are connected and the upload process begins, you can expect your video to appear on your YouTube channel shortly thereafter. This final step may take some time depending on the size of your video and your internet speed. But once it's done, you'll have successfully uploaded your video to YouTube directly from Clipchamp, and there you have it. It's a fairly simple process that makes getting your videos out there easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide